Exterior Services here again. Back at you with trying to wrap the day up. Today is Friday. We got work again this weekend. Anyway, this is a house that we've done recently. We just blew off the roof and did the driveway. This is the one where he hired my competitor that did a lousy job, and they washed the house. So he called me. I had him on schedule for next week to come back and do the roof cleanup, which he wants done every quarter. Then he called me back and says, hey, just come out and do the house too. So anyway, we're gonna get set up. We're on short time here, so I try to get some footage and get rolling. We'll do property protection while Anthony's on the Anthony's gonna be on the gutters. All right, guys, we'll catch up in a minute. Peace. All right, guys, rocking this new headband. You can see here we got a big gap. I don't know if my view's good, but I'm trying to do a little different style of footage of video here. So when I do property protection, I always come from the bottom up because it overlaps like that. So like that. Get a good seal on it, and it works. I don't know. We tried not to do it at one job. It bites me every time. I see a lot of guys that don't do it and have success with it. I get it. Maybe it's me or my solution. All good though. Customers appreciate this when you do it. Go out of your way and do it. So there you go. Property protected, baby. All right, guys. We're gonna just wash this with some water. Tony's blowing that shed off, which we got to do too. So I'm gonna come over here, see if there's any more outlets. That's all sealed up pretty good. Good. See this door? Look at this door. See that nice lock? Cover that bad boy. And this is the dude's workout shop. So I'll get a piece of this tape. Just kind of wrap around here like so, like you almost painting, you know, like you're cutting in for paint. That's by the way, I hate painting. Usually Tony's on this gig, but I'm trying to help out because we're trying to wrap this Friday up. On the backside of this house, I already got soap in my line, so I was strategic about that. And again, just gonna hit all this, make it look good for him. Again, this house was washed a while. Well, I say it was washed. I don't know if it was washed good. And I only got so much hose here, so I don't do so much. We'll try to go around here in a minute. Try to get behind there for him. Smelling good with that SH, baby. Talking about nice end of the day ticket on a Friday. That's what we like, man. We all pro. We come out here and we get it. All right, guys and girls, at the front side of the house now. So we're just doing a little watering on the plants real quick. Ain't nothing but a downstream, so don't get excited. So we already did the back, the garage. And go, we got soap. Look at that. This is that 1.8, so we got a little stronger mix, folks. Kind of messing around with all pro. Trying to pull that Kim. Pull that hot sauce, baby. Looking good too. Again, this house ain't really that dirty, but we just put a nice coat on it. Nice coat. This is I think this guy's gonna want his house washed every quarter. This ain't the ticket's not cheap. Nice cheese on a Friday night. So it's all good. Treat them right, they come back. That's what it's about. That's all it's about. Take care of your customers, baby. Left side of the house, we're gonna go ahead and turn on our soap, let our AC down a little bit. Coming out beautiful. Wet the fence a little bit. Get some soap here in a minute. Tony's finished what he's doing. My man Tony. I wonder what Santa's gonna bring Tony. Maybe some new boots. Maybe an All-Pro t-shirt autograph. Yeah, baby. Yes, come on. Look at a little bit of you. How cute. That's cute. So we're going to hit this backside and wrap it up, baby. Nice ticket on a Friday to end the day. That's what we like, baby. We strategically do this. Now, you know, we talk about a gas roof pump and all this. And I've been talking about it, and I've, you know, kind of asked myself, you always got to ask yourself, you know, is that going to make me better? I don't want to go spend money and it, you know, it doesn't work. Or it doesn't make me more efficient. But I'm thinking it will because of the fact that I'm going to hit that lightly right here. Look at the puppy. Puppy. And I think it's going to help me. And the reason I think it's going to help me is because we're going to be able to use that instead of this and save this for downstreaming. I mean, not downstreaming, surface cleaning. And that's just my opinion. So Tony could be doing that, and then I could be doing that other one. Plus I got, oh, by the way, that big commercial job, I got some apartments behind it that another commercial job. The lady's like, she called me yesterday, oh, by the way, I gave her your name, she wants to use you to get all the washing done. So again, that explains a good reason to get that, because I got high roofs and I want to get a stronger concentration. And this guy asked me to, he had some little light green on his roof, very light, a little shade of green, so I just downstreamed. I think it came out kind of nice. About to go check it out. Yeah, we're almost done here, folks. In fact, I'm gonna rinse off these plants first. We haven't got rain here in a minute, so I'm gonna be cognizant about that. You know, I'm just trying to spray this again, get the soap out the line. Yeah, it's a big fall. Big fall with the bypass. Alright guys, we'll catch up in a minute. Rinse off your ACs. Get behind them gutters, good. Clean them. Smells good too. And I did order well, I'll show you guys in a little bit when we wrap up, but I ordered a tank from Trudy over at Panhandle pressure wash or something. Power wash or whatever it is. Got me a new bleach tank, baby. A vertical, 55 gallons. The reason I did that is because it's a, let me rinse this off too. That's a lawnmower on this one. So I can get more, you know, that flat tank I got, that big 50 gallon, 55 gallon tank I got now, works great. Number one, it has a bulkhead at the bottom, which already leaked on me once. So I'm not a big fan of that. But the vertical tank is less, smaller in diameter. So when I get, you know, to my 10 gallons of bleach, I ain't scraping the bottom for bleach. I should be able to suck more of it out the tank and utilize it more. So, and actually, you know, Panhandle, I was looking online. I got to go to Texas for some other stuff, but I was going to go there and get a tank from but they were very competitive with their prices, even on shipping. Like $200 plus 100 shipping. I was like, all right, I'm good. I'll take that. I can't go over there for $100. Bring it. I had it in 2 days. I just don't have time to put it on. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and rinse these plants and catch the back and be out. Catch up. Peace. This is the roof I downstream. The left side, they had a slight haze of green. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit this side since I'm here. And I'm going to have to rinse again real quick. But he asked me to do it. Throw him a bone. Guy knows a lot of people. And that downstream got rid of it. Make sure we pull in soap. Yeah. So, he got rid of it. I couldn't believe it. I said, well, I'm back here shooting anyway. Might as well put a coat on it and see if it got rid of that light green. And it showed too much. So I was like, I'm gonna just do the whole thing. I'm gonna hit it one more time while we're here. While that marinades. Rinse it off. Let's get the show on the road. Blue Moon Friday, I can tell. Going to take my my gun course tomorrow. A CCL or CCW, whatever you want to call it. I don't know, different people call it different things. Oop. Lift that door off. Make sure you get any overspray. And remember, that lip right there. Gotta hit the lip. No problems with that shooter tip. M5 twist in it. Somebody asked me what I'm using. Am I just using M5 twist? No, I'm using the Davey shooter tip as well. You can see it on here. Right there. Using both. They both got their place. And that's like, when I get this roof pump, it's not that I'm not going to keep the 12 volt. I plan to keep the 12 volt. But I'm imagining that, I think the first thing, everything has its place. Not opposed to 12 volt, but it ain't a monster. That's a gas roof pump. As far as volume goes, you're getting 2-3 gallons out the tip if you're lucky, which in some cases, that's all you need. And that's what I do with a screen. I just come back, put it on a fan tip. Just kind of rinse it off a little bit. Give it a nice little coat. You can kill a bypass, Tony. That's in case any bleach got on it, Alright guys, let me wrap up. Catch up. Peace. Back at the house. Oh, look, here's that tank. Let me move this hose. Sorry about that. There it is. So that's gonna fit nice. I can move my soap tank over on my trailer, open up some trailer space. Love it. Got a sample of some apple wash from Trudy, which smells really good, but it's expensive. So we'll see how it works. Anyway, that's it for today. We do have to work Sunday. I got that thing to do tomorrow, so we got work Sunday. Just did a quote for a woman with 2 houses, big projects, and we got the deal. All right, guys, appreciate everything. Please like, sub, call, comment, keep them coming. All Pro out. Peace.